The best-selling carpet cleaner isn't always the best. That's what everyone assumes. But when you actually test them, the story changes. Most look the same online. Same promises, same pet-friendly claims. But once you start using them, you realize some are built for tiny messes, others for full-room deep cleans, and a few just don't hold up. Let's get real about which ones actually work. Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. This little guy caught my eye because it's compact, affordable at $113, and from Bissell, a brand that actually gives back to pets. If you want something small enough to store in a closet, but strong enough for pet accidents or coffee spills, this is worth a serious look. It weighs just 7 pounds and comes with a 4-inch stain tool and self-cleaning hose, which honestly surprised me at this price. The formula it includes works fast on fresh stains, and the suction is stronger than I expected for something so tiny. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in an apartment or have a small home, you don't need a giant machine. This one sprays, scrubs, and sucks up dirt from carpets, car seats, and even pet beds, all without taking up space. It's also great for quick cleanups between deep cleans. Now, some people complained about the small tank. It only holds about 8 ounces of clean water, so you'll be refilling it often on bigger jobs. Here's the thing though, that's actually why it's so light and easy to carry. If you're doing spot cleaning, it's perfect. But if you're planning to clean an entire room, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you have pets, live in a smaller space, or just need something for occasional messes. Skip this one if you're looking to deep clean large areas regularly. For the price and portability, it's solid value. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose. Now, if the Mini's tiny tank bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. It's the bigger sibling with serious upgrades. This is America's #1 portable deep cleaner, trusted by over 7 million households, and it shows. It's got a massive 48-ounce clean water tank, triple action formula, and stronger suction. If you want one machine that handles everything from couch stains to car interiors without constant refills, this is it. The larger tank means you can clean more areas, like a full car interior or a few stair steps, without stopping. And the formula is scientifically proven to lift over 100 types of stains, including red wine, mud, and pet accidents. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever tried to clean a stain with a rental machine or a cheap spray, you know how frustrating it is when it just spreads the mess. This one actually pulls the stain out from deep in the fibers. Now, some people said it's heavier and harder to store. At nearly 10 pounds, it's not as easy to stash in a cabinet. Here's the thing though, that extra weight comes from the larger motor and tank, which means better performance. If you're cleaning regularly, that trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you have kids, pets, or just want a reliable cleaner for everyday messes. Skip this one if you need something ultra light or only clean once in a while. For the performance, it's a great middle ground option. Product number 3, Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for pet owners, the Pet Deluxe version. It looks similar, but it comes with extra tools. A 3-inch tough stain tool, stain trapper, and hydro rinse hose cleaner, plus 2 trial formulas made specifically for pet messes. If you want a cleaner that's built from the ground up for pet stains and odors, this is the one. The Pet Oxy Boost formula breaks down urine and vomit at the source, and the suction is strong enough to pull it out completely, not just mask the smell. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Pet stains don't just look bad, they can ruin your carpet if not treated properly. This machine actually removes the bacteria and odor, not just the surface stain. The 48-ounce tank means fewer refills, and the included tools make it easy to clean upholstery, stairs, and car seats. Now, some people complained about the price. It's not listed, but it's usually over $150, which is steeper than the others. Here's the thing though, you're paying for specialized tools and formulas that actually work on pet-specific problems. If you have pets, that investment pays off fast. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with frequent pet accidents or want peace of mind that odors are truly gone.
Skip this one if you don't have pets or only need occasional cleaning. It's pricey, but for pet homes, it's one of the best.
Product number 4, Rivenera Portable Carpet Cleaner. Now, if Bissell's price tags are making you hesitate, this next one is a budget-friendly alternative, the Rivenera Cleaner at just $63. It's tiny, lightweight, and surprisingly capable. It has dual tanks, 1,800 milliliter clean, 600 milliliter dirty, which is huge for the price, and a 450-watt motor that actually lifts stains. If you want something affordable that still gets the job done on small to medium messes, this is worth considering. The long hose and 5-meter cord give you real reach, so you can clean under furniture or in cars without dragging the machine around. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Not everyone needs a pro-grade machine. If you're a renter or just want to handle spills fast, this does the trick without breaking the bank. Now, some people said the suction isn't as strong as Bissell's, and they're right. It struggles with really deep or old stains. Here's the thing though, for fresh spills and light cleaning, it's more than enough. And at this price, you can't expect industrial power. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or only clean occasionally. Skip this one if you have heavy soiling or pets with frequent accidents. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 5, Hoover Power Scrub XL Pet. Finally, if you're ready to go all in, the Hoover Power Scrub XL Pet is in a league of its own. At $254, it's not cheap, but it's an upright machine with 5 rotating brushes, heat-force drying, and a massive recovery tank. If you want to deep clean entire rooms like a pro and actually dry your carpets fast, this is the one. It scrubs from all angles, lifts embedded dirt, and dries carpets in under 30 minutes, something portables just can't do. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have wall-to-wall carpet or high traffic areas, a portable just won't cut it. This machine covers more ground, cleans deeper, and saves you time. It even has quick clean mode for small spots and an auto mix feature so you never mess up the solution ratio. Now, some people said it's heavy and bulky. At 26 pounds, it's not easy to carry upstairs. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for real cleaning power. If you're doing whole room cleans, you don't want to move it often anyway. This is perfect for you if you have large carpets, pets, or want professional level results at home. Skip this one if you only need spot cleaning or have limited storage. It's expensive, but for serious cleaning, it's unmatched. So which one should you get? The Bissell Mini is great for small spaces and quick fixes. The multi-purpose version adds more power and tank size. The Pet Deluxe is best if you have pets and want specialized tools. The Rivenera is a solid budget pick for light use. And the Hoover, that's for when you're ready to go full deep clean mode. No single one is perfect for everyone. It depends on your space, your messes, and your budget. But now you know what each one really does.